the splashing world of Dunk Tank. Hello dear learners. Today, we are diving deep into the fun and wet world of a popular American game called the Dunk Tank. You might have heard of it or seen it in movies. Let's explore what it means and where it comes from. A dunk tank is a popular carnival game and fundraising activity, especially in the United States. Picture this. There's a large tank filled with water. Above the tank, there's a seat where a person sits. Players throw balls at a target, and if they hit it, the person on the seat falls into the water. Splash! The aim is to dunk the person into the water. Hence, the name, Dunk Tank. The exact origins of the dunk tank are a bit murky, just like the water after a few dunks. However, it is widely believed to have become popular in carnivals and fairs in the early 20th century. It's not just about fun. Dunk tanks are often used for fundraising events. Imagine dunking your school principal or boss for a good cause. Outside of the carnival context, the phrase, dunk tank, isn't commonly used in day-to-day English. However, you might come across it in movies, shows, or books that depict American culture, carnivals, or school events. Knowing what a dunk tank is can help you understand and enjoy these scenes better. And that's a wrap on the dunk tank. Next time you see one, whether in real life or in a movie, you'll know exactly what's going on and maybe even feel the excitement of the game. We hope this splashing journey has been enlightening for you. Keep learning and stay curious.